Hey, what's up? It's been a while since we've tested robot vacuum cleaners on our channel Tech Brothers, and it looks like they've gotten much better lately. One of the biggest and most useful updates on the robot vacuum cleaner market is self-empty station. It automatically cleans the dustbin of the robot vacuum cleaner, so you don't have to clean it manually for up to 30 days. I think it is a great feature. In this video, I want to tell you about Yeedi Vac Max robot vacuum cleaner that also supports self-empty station, but you need to buy it additionally. I think it is a good solution, because many people don't need a station, but it really raises the price of the product a lot. For example, the price of Yeedi Vac Max is very affordable, only $239 on Amazon, so anyone can afford it. If you need a self-empty station, then you need to buy it additionally for $200. Yes, the station costs almost as much as a robot vacuum cleaner itself. Therefore, I think it is a good idea to sell a self-empty station separately. Those who want it will buy it. Unfortunately, I don't have a self-empty station, but I can tell you everything about the robot vacuum cleaner itself. Let's start with unboxing, and then we will look at design, mobile app, and do a cleaning test. Please hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions while watching the video. So the new robot vacuum cleaner comes in a simple cardboard box. There is only a big Yeedi logo on the front of the box and a small sticker on the side face with robot model name and some other information. Inside the box there is a robot vacuum cleaner itself, a docking station with power adapter, a one-side brush, mopping pad plate, one washable mopping pad, and 5 disposable wipes. You will also have a big instruction manual, quick start guide, and warranty. A dustbin and water tank are already installed in the robot vacuum cleaner, so the package contents is not very rich, but you can buy all the accessories additionally on Amazon and official website. Talking about design of this robot vacuum cleaner, first I see that it doesn't have a tower, because Yeedi Vac Max uses a camera and mopping sensor instead of laser navigation. We will test navigation later in this video. You know, on the one hand, it is good that the robot vacuum cleaner doesn't have a tower, because it can get under the furniture. However, I cannot say that the robot is very thin. The maximum height is 78 mm. Overall, the new Yeedi robot vacuum cleaner is not very compact. The size is 345 by 345 mm, and the weight is 3.4 kg. By the way, a robot vacuum cleaner is available in a single color option with a white top and black bottom. At the top we can see a mapping sensor, power button, and Yeedi logo. You can also open a lid and find Wi-Fi indicator, reset button, power switch, a dustbin, and multifunction clean tool. To remove a dustbin, you need to raise a handle and pull it. There is also a tutorial on the dustbin how to clean, wash, and dry it. By the way, a dustbin has a capacity of 450 ml. Water tank is located on the back of the robot vacuum cleaner. It looks compact, but it has a capacity of 240 ml. I think that's enough for wet cleaning, so a dustbin and water tank are installed in the robot vacuum cleaner at the same time. It means that the robot vacuum cleaner can vacuum and mop simultaneously. That's very good. Of course, the vacuum cleaner has a bumper and anti-collision sensors on the front. At the bottom we can see the driving wheels and universal wheel, a main brush and side brush, charging contacts. There are also many different sensors at the bottom, such as anti-drop sensors, carpet detection sensor, and floor tracking sensor. By the way, the last sensor is something new for the robot vacuum cleaners, because I haven't seen it before. The company says that the floor tracking sensor works like a GPS. It helps to navigate the robot better in the room and create more efficient cleaning route. Talking about the main brush, you can quickly remove it and clean. You just need to press these buttons and pull up. By the way, before mopping, you need to attach a mopping pad plate and a washable mopping pad to the bottom of robot vacuum cleaner. So that's all about design of robot vacuum cleaner, but I can also show you a docking station. It has a charging pins and a special compartment on the back to hide a power cable. You know, for some reason, a docking station is not the same color as a robot vacuum cleaner. Okay, now, let's try to connect a robot vacuum cleaner to the smartphone. For that, you need to download Yeedi App on your iOS or Android device. Now make sure that the robot vacuum cleaner is turned on and Wi-Fi indicator is blinking. After that, open the app and click on Add a Robot. You can scan a QR code under the lid of the robot vacuum cleaner or click on Select a Robot and select Yeedi Vac Max. Follow the instructions on your smartphone screen to connect the vacuum cleaner, such as press Reset button. Enter the password from Wi-Fi network and let the robot scan the QR code from your smartphone. It will not take more than a couple of minutes. So the main screen of the app, we can see the image of Robot Vacuum Cleaner, its status, battery level, and 2 buttons to start auto cleaning and recharging. You can press on the robot and see the other settings such as room map, start cleaning, change vacuum power from standard, max and max plus, cleaning schedule, the volume of waste report, and the language of a voice report, as well as cleaning preference that includes resumed clean, do not disturb mode, auto boost section, auto empty, cleaning sequence. I think that I can turn off an auto empty function because I don't have a self-empty station. By the way, when a water tank is connected, you can see that the robot vacuum cleaner is in a mopping mode. You can change a water flow level. There is also a settings menu in the app, where we can change the name of the robot, check the accessories usage, and firmware update. Let's talk a little about battery, and then we will do a cleaning test. Yeedi Vac Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner has 5200 mAh battery capacity. The cleaning time on a single charge is up to 200 minutes, depending on the vacuum power. The full battery charge takes about 6 hours. So first, I want to do a vacuum cleaning test. I have 100 grams of garbage, and I scattered it all over the floor. Let's start the auto cleaning and wait. As you can see, the robot cleans very carefully. First it moves up and down in trajectory and then around the edges. The cleaning is complete, and the robot has collected 98 grams of garbage. The cleaning efficiency is 98%. That's very good result. Now I want to add some water to the water tank and run a vacuum and mop cleaning at the same time. In the app we can see a mopping mode. So just a couple of minutes and the cleaning is complete. Nothing is left of the garbage. I also want to measure a noise level in different suction modes. You know, Yeedi Vac Max is very quiet in standard suction power mode, and I think you can even run the cleaning at night. The noise level is only 40 decibels. In the max suction power mode, the noise level is 45 decibels. There's also Max Plus suction power mode in this robot vacuum cleaner, with a noise level of about 52 decibels. By the way, I forgot to tell you about auto carpet detection. Yeedi Vac Max automatically increases suction power when it detects a carpet. This function works very well, and I find it very useful. Yeedi Vac Max looks like one of the best budget robot vacuum cleaner in 2022. It has a good suction power of 3000 Pascal, vacuum and mop at the same time, a big battery capacity of 5200 mAh, a nice mobile app with useful functions. You know, Yeedi Vac Max is the same robot vacuum cleaner as Yeedi Vac Station, but it doesn't have a self-empty station included. However, it does support a station, so if you need one, you can buy it additionally. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!